Welcome to Paradise. Today I'm taking you inside one of Bali's most iconic spots, Finn's Beach Club in Canggu. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted by stunning ocean views, a vibrant beach party vibe, and luxury vibes all around. Whether you're here to chill by the pool, sip on a cocktail, or dance to the live DJ beats, Finn's has something for everyone. And the food? Absolutely delicious. From tropical cocktails to gourmet bites, everything is served with style. As the sun goes down, the party turns up. Finn's transforms into a glowing beach paradise. Music, lights, and pure energy. If you're ever in Bali, don't miss out on Finn's Beach Club. It's a must visit. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.